Hi guys, welcome back. I missed you guys so much. I know it's only been a few days, but today we are reviewing the new HAUS Lab foundation by Lady Gaga. Wanted to dive all into this look. I could not go this weekend without grabbing this foundation because it's like blowing up everywhere. So you know me, I have to try it. The brand new HAUS Lab Triclone foundation. So stunning. This packaging alone, like, this packaging is so futuristic. Like, I'm seeing a trend lately with brands, and they are bringing like the silver, the frosted, the chromes, like it's giving really tech. This is how it looks just from the bottle. I am in love with this packaging. This is the shade 370 medium neutral. Let me just give you information about the product. So this is a natural finish liquid formula. It's a clean at Sephora. It is long wearing, medium coverage, weightless, clean. If you're looking for more clean products, this is on the list. One side I'm actually going to try with a damp beauty blender, and then on the other side I'm going to use my foundation brush. Let's test out the texture. This is the texture here. Slightly runny, but not too much. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Foundation Brush. And let's see. First swatch. It appears to be a little darker, which I did tell. I did tell the Sephora assistant that I wanted, you know, a little bit of a darker shade because I use like concealers and brightening concealers. This foundation is a light coverage. It feels very buildable. Let me add some more. And I can always tell like a light foundation just because my freckles will like show all the way through. Yeah, this is a light to medium, so definitely accurate. It has a glowy, you see the glowy texture, to the foundation. So it feels hydrating. I could have went one shade lighter just because this shade has more of a orange, like it feels more on the orange side, and I have a yellow undertones. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see how it all comes together because I look a little tan. Let's try the sponge on this side and compare the coverage with either or. I'm not a fan of applying foundation with a sponge, but I have to do it for my people who are. Okay. The sponge gives you an even lighter finish. I'm in love with the formula so far. Almost feels like there's not too much product on. I always say if you want a lighter coverage, definitely go with the sponge just because the sponge absorbs quite a lot of the product before you even get a chance to blend it out. And then if you want more coverage, a brush is better to apply because the product is sitting on top of your skin and the brush is just distributing what's on your face. So yeah, this is really, I love the sponge, like how smooth the product looks, and then it also looks, you can tell the difference. There's a more natural finish on this side, and then I would say more of a full coverage on this side. So I'm going to try to tone this side down here with the sponge. And also, number one rule, definitely clean your brushes and sponges. Like, not trying to be funny, but when we think about it, this product that we're mixing with other products, it just sits in the sponge, or it sits, you know, in your brushes. So it's better to clean and sanitize those products so you're not, you know, getting any type of skin irritation and infections. I'm always trying out new stuff. I feel like the fall time is the perfect time for makeup. Brands are just launching left to right, and we want to know, like, what's tea? What are these new products like? What is it like? So I picked up the brand new Milk Makeup Concealer. This is their Future Fluid. This is their Future Fluid Cream Concealer, and I got the shade, let me tell you guys, 120. It's so tiny. This gives you 0.28 fluid ounces. There's a trend with this futuristic packaging, silver, naming things like Future, Triclone. Like, maybe these brands know something that we don't know, but we are in the age of Aquarius, so I can see why technology, the aesthetic of things is going more tech, because we're those girls and guys, okay? But this is supposed to be an all-over cream concealer. And let me just give you information about this product. This product retails for $29. Got the shade 12O. Here's the applicator. Just apply this foundation to the areas underneath my eye. I'm going to apply the concealer to my T-zone area. I like to use my brush these days, just because I feel like it creates more coverage and I have more control over the product. It's really creamy. They didn't lie about that part. Okay, it's definitely creamy, but I like the consistency. I love it. Oh, it's nice. Really good quality. And I feel like a little, I put on a lot, but a little tiny bit goes a long way. Yeah, this is nice. So it's still a light to medium coverage. Like, you can build this up, but I'm still seeing my freckles through my concealer. So it's not a very thick and full coverage concealer. Now, since my foundation is a little bit darker, I'm not going to use like a contour. I'm not going to use a cream contour. I'm just going to use my powder contour by Makeup by Mario in the shade Medium. And that's just to keep the look on the softer side. I'm going to set my concealer using One Size Beauty. And I reviewed this product in my previous video, which I will list at the end of this video. So I'm just going to set real quick before it creases. And I don't like to bake anymore. I really like to just press my setting powder into my concealer. And for me, that creates a long-lasting wear. Concealer sets really well. It gives this blurred effect. And I'll go over details of the concealer. Really nice. Very effortless. Like, actually, I love this foundation shade. I'm not gonna lie, because it eliminates the step of me having to add like my cream contour, cream bronzer. And even if I wanted to, I could really take the look to the next level with adding like more of a contoured look. So I'm a fan now. I'm going to keep that shade. I like the darker. I like how it just kind of melts. Okay, so I told y'all we'll go over the details of this concealer. This is the Milk Makeup Future Concealer. So this is the new Milk Makeup Future Fluid All Over Medium Coverage Hydrating Concealer. It is definitely hydrating. I feel good. I feel great. My under eyes actually, they feel better, like not as dry. And this product is retail for $29. I purchased it off of Sephora website. Just some details and highlights about this new concealer. It is a natural finish, liquid formula, hydrating, so it's also a part of the Clean at Sephora. You can build this concealer up. I'm going to go ahead and finish my lips, and then I will give you my overall thoughts of both the new HAUS Lab Foundation and the Milk Makeup Concealer. Let me point out that I have found a new lip liner that I'm loving, which is the Makeup Forever. This is their Artist Color Pencil, and this is in the shade Limitless Brown. Ooh, we like. So popped right in the middle is one of my favorites, which is Juvia's Place lip gloss in the shade Barely There. Try out the combo Makeup Forever Limitless Brown and then Juvia's Place Barely There. I can't stop wearing it. So I'm all done. This is the final look. Just want to give you guys a quick thought, quick feedback. The foundation, get your hands on it. I want to see like what you all think. Come back and comment. It's super light. This is the season. Like, this fall is giving all of the new products, and I am just in love with this shade. I'm in love with the formula. I can go all day with this. And the new Milk Makeup Concealer, chef's kisses. Like, this new concealer is super beautiful. Get up closer so you can see. So super gorgeous. And I just did like a quick little daytime look. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you like these products. Please don't forget to join the family, like and subscribe for more videos to come. And until next time, you guys know I'm going to miss you. But until next time, I want you guys to take care, and I love you so much.